Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decor. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or I like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and then don't miss another amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about cake designs in different styles, different color combination, different sizes. Here are some amazing, stylish, eye-catching cake decor ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decor ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decor ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you like any designs and if you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life, make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Where do you watch my video? Please tell me in comment box. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love my cake designs. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal shower, groom shower, anniversary, professional party or any other celebrations. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. I hope you like this design with theme and color combinations. I am sure birthday cake decor ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. Thank you so much everyone.